Hey y'all, just a little quickie. Okay, this is what your girl I am about to eat this right now. Okay, we have some bacon here, as you can see. The egg, which your girl gonna add the cheese, and we have a little piece of steak over here. So now your girl gonna add the cheese. So stay tuned and you guys can see. All right, y'all. I am gonna add the cheese. Not sponsored. Okay, Walmart. So there it is. I hope you guys can see because I'm doing this with one hand and holding the camera with one hand. Hopefully I don't put the whole bag in there, y'all. Bear with me. Come out. Come out. Go. Okay, there we go. Can y'all see that? No, y'all can't see it. Hold on. Golly, the cheese act like it don't want to come out. Oh, is it your girl not pouring enough? Oh, there we go. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys like a lot of cheese on your egg. Or do you even eat cheese? I mean egg with cheese, y'all. I'm just trying to see how much I'm putting. Okay, I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Oh, this zoomed in, y'all. I'm so sorry. But yeah, your girl gonna let this melt real quick, so stay tuned. I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Alright, you guys, here's the egg. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and transfer it here. Yes, ma'am. Let me back up so y'all can. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me put the steak in. Here's bae plate, y'all. Looking so good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.